Assalamualaikum, my name is Hafinaufal. In this video, I will demonstrate the task 1, which is pneumatic system for clamping and riveting operations, which I have developed using Automation Studio. The system basically uses two double acting cylinder, cylinder A, the clamping cylinder, and cylinder B, the riveting cylinder. The process begins with cylinder A advance or extend to clamp the sheet metal securely. Once clamped, a limit switch signals the cylinder B to advance and perform the riveting operation. After the riveting operation is completed, cylinder B will retract first, followed by the retraction of cylinder A. This will ensure a smooth and precise sequence. And all the system is controlled by using a directional control valve, limit switch, to coordinate the operation efficiently. Let's watch the simulation to see how all of these components work together. It all starts by when I press the push button, then we see the movement of cylinder A, the clamping cylinder, and cylinder B, the riveting cylinder. Let's rewatch in detail when I'm doing the slow motion in this video. And that's all for task 1 operation in this lab 1. And that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum Doctor. My name is Zofar and I will explain about lab 1 task 2 about the excavator. From my perspective, this excavator have two sequences. First sequence for the lifting and digging, and for the second sequence is for unloading the load. Then for the first sequence, the process begin with the activation of the swing motor that swing until the correct position. Okay, then the boom cylinder or the boom actuator which extend to raise the boom and lift the load. Once the boom is elevated, the arm cylinder is engaged to adjust the position of the load by extending, depending on whether the load needs to be moved closer or further from the excavator. If the load is in the bucket, then the bucket cylinder or actuator may also be adjusted slightly to secure the material by tilting the bucket. Then this is for the lifting and digging sequence. For the unloading load, first we begin with the positioning the swing at the correct position. Okay, then the boom cylinder move slower slightly, positioning the load closer to the unloading location. Okay, then the arm cylinder then retract to accurately place the load over the desired spot. Okay, then the bucket cylinder is activated to tear the bucket or releasing the load effectively. Then after the load is deposited, the boom and the arm cylinder retract bring to the excavator back to its neutral position. Okay, and ready for the next task. For your information, this system move levelly manually. That's all from me.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Amirul Afhami and I'm going to present about task 3. So the cylinder A and cylinder B will be present as the cylinder push the item, cylinder C and cylinder D will be present as the controller of movement robotic arm. So cylinder E is a robotic arm and the cylinder F is a gripper. So when I press the push button, the cylinder A and cylinder B will be push the item forward. Cylinder D and cylinder C and cylinder D will be move the robotic arm to the end position. Cylinder E is a robotic arm will go to the downward and the cylinder F will grip the item. After it grip the item, cylinder E will go to the upward as the retracted and by follow up by the cylinder D and cylinder F to the will retract to the initial position. That's all for me. Thank you.